Hi students, welcome to my teacher channel. In the previous video, we discussed about the rational numbers. Now, we are going to discuss about irrational numbers. Children, do you know what are irrational numbers? Yes, the numbers which are not rational are called irrational numbers. So then what are rational? Yes, the numbers which can be written are expressed in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers and q is not equal to 0 are rational. That means irrational numbers cannot be expressed in p by q form. Okay, then what are the numbers which cannot be expressed in p by q form? Yes, the decimals, or which are non-terminating and non-recurring, are the numbers which cannot be expressed in p by q form. That means those are irrational. Students, do you know who were the first to discover these irrational numbers? Yes, it is Pythagoreans, means the followers of the greatest mathematician and philosopher Pythagoras were the first to discover these irrational numbers. They even discovered or proved that root 2 is irrational. Later, Theodorus of Cyrene showed that root 3, root 5, root 6, root 10, root 11, root 12 and root 13 are irrational. That means root 2 is irrational. Means it cannot be expressed in p by q form. Then what is the value of this root in decimal form? Then how are we going to do that? And how are we going to find the value of root 2 in decimal? Let us see. Now, let us find the value of root 2 by long division method. First, take 2 and a decimal point, add some zeros, and for each 2 zeros, take a bar from the right side. Right. Okay, now tell me the nearest perfect square to the number 2. So what are perfect square, children? Yes, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 are perfect squares, isn't it? 1, because 1 ones are 1, 4, 2 twos are 4, 9, 3 threes are 9, 16, 4 fours are 16. So, which perfect square is nearer to 2? 1, 4. So, which one is near? 1. So, let me take 1. How? 1 ones are 1. Great. Now, subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. And now, take 2 zeros. It is little different from the regular division. Now, what the number you got here, double that. So 1, double it, it becomes 2. Okay. Now, in units place of this number, take a digit and with the same digit you multiply it. Means, for example, 2 is already there. If I take 1 in units place and multiply by 1, 21 ones are 21. Is it near that 21 nearer to 100? No. Then, after 2, take 2 suppose and multiply by 2. 2 22s are 44. Is it nearer? No. Or after 2, take 3 and multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69. Now, once again, after 2, take 4 and multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 96. I think it is very near 200. Yes. So, let me take here 4 and here also 4. But decimal is there, so keep a decimal point. Okay. Now, 4 24s are 96. Isn't it? Now, subtract. 100 minus 96 is 4. Now, take 2 zeros. Okay. Now, here 1, 4, 14. Double this 14. Yes. Double to 14 is 28. Now, here in units place, take a digit and multiply with the same digit. Okay. Now, after 28, see here. If I take 1 and multiply by 1, 1 281s are 281. And the number here it is 400. Suppose after 28, if I take 2 and multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 564, which is bigger than 400, isn't it? So, I'll take 1. After 28 in units place, I'll take 1. And here also 1. 1 281s are 281. Now, subtract this one. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 8, 1. And here it is 1 less, no? 3 minus 2, 1. Now, can take 2 zeros. Alright, now it is 11,900. And here, what the number we get? Simple. Whatever you got here, double the number. 141 means 141. Double 141. You'll get 282. Now, after 282, in the units place, take a digit and multiply with the same digit. Now, if I take here 1, now this becomes 2821. Ones are 2821, but here it is 11,000. So if I take 3, 3 2s are 6, means you may get near to 6 or 7,000. If I take 4, 4 2s are 8, you may get near to 9 or something. So after 282, I am taking 4 and multiplying by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 4 8s are 32, and 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. 11,296, which is very near to this. So let me take here 4 and here also 4, and the product is 4 2,824s are. We already did, and it is 11,296. Now, let us subtract. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. Now this becomes 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Can take 2 more zeros. Now this becomes 60,400. And what the number you get here? Double this number. 1414 means 1414. Double that one. It becomes 2,828, isn't it? 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, right? Or simply, you just double the last digit here, 4, double to it is 8, and same thing you will get here. Right. Now, here we need to take a number, with the same number, we need to multiply it, okay? 2828 is here. If I take 1, it becomes 28,281. But here it is 60,000. So what I do is, I'll not take 1 there. I'll take 2 and I'll multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Now it is 56,000, which is near to 60, right? So I'll take here 2, here also 2, right? And the product is 56,564. And after subtracting, the difference is 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, then 9 plus 4, 13, 13 minus 5 is 8, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Right, great. Can take 2 more zeros. Now it is 3,83,600. Now here what we get? Either you double this number or just simply double the last digit. You'll get the number here. Yeah, let me double this whole number. 2 to the 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Right? Now here I have to take one number. With the same number I need to multiply. If I take 1 here, then it becomes 2,82,000. But here it is 3,83,000 is there. 28284 is there. 282824. And I'll take 1 in the units place and I'll multiply with that same number. So 1 and 1. Then what I get? 2,82,841. Now, can you get a terminating decimal here? Now, the division is continuing. Means we are getting a non-terminating decimal. Therefore, we can write root 2 is equal to 1.41421 so on. Where the value of root 2 in decimal expression is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. See, it is a non-terminating and non-recurring, not repeating and not terminating. Now, such numbers cannot be expressed in P by Q form. That means root 2 is irrational number. Now, let us find the value of root 3 up to 6 decimals using the long division method. So we need to take 3 and then keep a decimal point and take some zeros. And on 2 zeros, keep bar. Okay? Now, think of a perfect square which is near to 3. So the perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, so on. Now 1, 4. Which perfect square is near to 3? Means lesser, near and lesser than 3. Yes, it is 1. So 1, 1s are 1. Great. Now difference of this. 3 minus 1 is 2. And every time we'll get 2 zeros. Okay? Now 2 zeros you take. And since here a point is there, you also keep a point in the quotient. Now, whatever number you get here, you have to double it. So double to this one. Double to 1 is 2. 1 is double. 2 1s are 2. Now here you need to take one number. With the same number, you have to multiply this. Suppose if I take 1 and multiply by 1, 21 1s are 21, which is nowhere near to 200. Yes or no? So, if I take 2 and multiply by 2, 22 2s are 44. Nowhere near. Or something like, let me take 7. 27 7s are. How much it will be? 27s are 140 and 7 7s are 49. Means 189, which is near to 200. So, what I do here is, let me take here 7 and 7. 7 27s are 189, isn't it? Now subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, then 1 minus 1, nothing. Now take 2 zeros. And here, how you get the number? Simple, just double the number. 1 7 17. Double 17. 17 twos are 34. Right? Now, here in units place, take one number and with the same number you have to multiply. Suppose if I take here 1, 341 ones are 341, but here we got 1100. That means it is not 1, isn't it? So think 3, 4. Suppose you take here 2 into 2. 302s are something near to 600 or 700, right? Now, if I take 3 here, 343. Let me multiply here. 343 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Now it is 1029, which is near to 1100. So let me take here 3 and 3. 3 into 343 is 1029. Now subtract this one. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 1 minus 1 is 0, right? 1 minus 1, 0, 71. Now you can take 2 more zeros. Here, how do you get the number? Simple. Double this number. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry forward. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. Or simply double the last digit here. 366 remaining same. Like that also you may do. Right? Now, here you have to think of a number. With the same number, you have to multiply. Right? If I take 2 and multiply by 2, how much it will be? 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6. Now it is 6,924, 7,100. So, which is near, right? So let me take here 2 and here also 2. And after multiplying, 6,924 I got. Now subtract this one. Yeah. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 9, 1. And 6 minus 6, 0. So 7,100 minus 6,924 is 176. Now you may take 2 more zeros, right? Now it is 17,600. And here, how are we going to get the number? Double this. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1 forward, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Or simply 3, 4, 6 and just double the last digit. 2 double 4. That's it. Now, here you can think of a number, right? Then it becomes 34,640 some change, right? With the same number you have to multiply. Now, suppose after 3464, if I take 1 and multiply by 1, then it becomes 34641, means 34,641. But here we got 17,600 only. But if I take here 1, it is 34,641, which is very bigger than this one, right? So I cannot take 1 or more than 1. Then what I'll do? Simple. I'll take 0 here and 0 here, right? Now 0 into the whole thing is simply all zeros, right? Now subtraction, pretty simple. 17,600 minus 0 is 17,600 only. Then you can take 2 more zeros. Then it becomes 17,60,000. Don't worry by seeing the numbers, the big numbers, right? Now let's see. We'll simply continue the procedure until we get these 6 decimal points. How many places we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to get 2 more decimal places and then we'll stop it. Okay? Now, so what the number that we get here? Double this number. 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 14, and 1 forward, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Now, here you have to think of a number, and with the same number you have to multiply. So what number let us take? Suppose if I take 1 here, then it becomes 3,46,401, isn't it? So it is 3 lakh some change. Here we got 17,60,000. So 3 lakh and 17 lakh. So in 3 table, just think of a number which is near to 17. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 3s are 9, 4s are 12, 5s are 15. So let me take 5s are right. So here I'll take 5 and I'll multiply by 5. So I'll take here 5 and here 5. Now let me multiply first. 3,46,405 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 4s are 20. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. And 5 4s are 20 plus 3 is 23. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17. Oh great, 17,32,025, which is near to this one. So 5s are 17,32,025. Right. Great. We are coming to the close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just one more decimal point we need to find and we'll end. Now let's see here. Right. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And one less here. 5 minus 3 is 2. Right. And we have to take 2 more zeros. Right. Now this becomes 27,97,500. Now here we have to take a number. How are we going to do? Simple. Double this number and write here. 2 5s are 10. 1 up. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry forward. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. Or simply just double the last digit here. 2 5s are 10 means 0. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 0 is 1. And remaining as it is. Right? Now here you have to think of a number. With the same number we have to multiply. Suppose here if I take some digit, then it becomes 34 lakh. And here we got 27 lakh. 34 lakh is bigger than 27 lakh, right? So I cannot even take 1 or more than 1. So what I'll do, I'll take simply 0 and here also 0. Then it becomes all zeros, right? And the division continues. So now we got the value of root 3 as 1.732050, so on. So it is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. That means root 3 is irrational number.